Hi, once again, welcome to Moneyhorn. Today, I would like to show you 5 trusted ways to get paid to send text to make $14 per day. Yes, this is awesome. I'm going to show you how easily it is to just send text messages to others and you will make money. So just a simple way to get paid to text SMS and you will get like $14 per day, just in a minimum. You can work regularly and you can earn even more money with it. So simply, without wasting any more of your time, I am going to the first site. The number one site is called IQ. It's not like IQ, it's 1Q. So 1q.com is the address. So simply the site is 1q.com. You just go on and you can see that this is just a simple survey related site. So if people and companies and brands all over the world want opinion about about their brands, about the product, and various types of research works, data collections, and they want people's opinion on that. So you just go on and you can just ask for that if you are a company. But we want to making money here, so we want to get paid for our answers. So simply, if you just go over to this website, you can see that there is answer, ask, get insight, or answer, get paid. So answer, click on answer, get paid, and this page will show up, and you can see that you just have to install this 1Q app on your phone, and you simply just receives various type of SMS or questions or survey related topics right on your phone, and you just have to answer those, and per answer you will get like simply per answer you will get like 50 cents per answer. You just simply give it to, and you will make, you can see that they have 1 million people already joined and earning money. And if they have also referral options, you can get 25 cents per referral, but that's an optional option. So you just have to, the number one catch is here, these apps only works in tier 1 countries. So if you just belongs to USA, Canada, Australia, and UK, and in countries like that there's a tier 1 countries, they support it and you can register here. So it's not worldwide opportunity. So simply, if you belongs to those countries, you can join it and earn a decent amount of money. But on average, if answer it gives you 50 cents up to 50 cents, but on average, if you work daily, you just join there and work daily, you will get on average 25 cents per answer you give on them. So it will give you lots of questions every day, but you just have to answer it, and you will get paid for that. So simply, this is the answer, this is the site. And what type of answer, you simply see how easy it is, and it just is every person can just express their opinion and answer these questions easily, and it don't have to have any special skills for that. So this is the first site, but it's not worldwide site. So the second site that I have to show is called Hammer. So this is a sister company of Horrifictechnologies.com. So if the site address is horrifictechnology/Hammer, HUMMR. So this is the page, and you can see that get your projects and tasks done easily and quickly, and people want their projects, tasks, and done by this website. Also, they want people's opinion, and that's it, guys. You just have to download those apps, and you can participate as the opinion giver and answer giver, and you can earn a commissions for that and revenue from them, and you will make money. You can just go on, scroll down, you can see lots more about how it works, how you should do work with this. But if you just go over to their blog sections, I just go over to their blog sections, and you can see that they have expressed how you can earn money from them. So they have like 12 ways you can get paid for chats and calls on Hammer. So you can just if you have any skills like coaching skills, if you are are an influencer, if you work on art and design, if you are business consultant, if you are expert in anything, if you want to teach English, if you want to help people for tax preparations, online travel consultations, online personal training, you can see, in name it, online dating consultant, every aspects you have, every skills you have, you just go on, install this app, and you can just answer people's, help people's questions and answer them, and you will make money. So every answer you give to those peoples, if you will make like $5 per every answer of it, name it. But the only catch is, obviously, as like oneq.com, this also supports tier 1 countries, so only people belongs to USA, Canada, UK, Australia can work with this type of site, so it's not worldwide. But I have to show it, but it's a legit way to earn money by just answering or texting peoples. So this is come to the second positions. But just wait, if you want to worldwide opportunity, I have 3 other options for you. If you don't fit for OneQ and Hammer, you can work with these 3 other options. So I just going to go to the third options, which is a worldwide options. The third site I'm going to show you is called IMGR. Obviously, this address is imgr.im is the address, is the website. You can see, you can just join this website and you can install these apps. You can see it's just chat message app. You simply send text and receive text and you make money. So simple is that. And sometimes you will get brand SMS like that, and you will get money to read those SMS, and it's really awesome. You simply, if I just go on, and you can see that they have lots of videos explaining about how they work, how you can earn money. But if I just go on the menu sections, if I just click on points, this explains much more that how easy it is to make money on this, like easy as 1 2 3. If you just simply go on, download IMGR app and invite friends to join you, and you just start chatting, and every chat you just send to your friends, and your friends send you the text message, you will get 1 point on every transaction. So you send message 1 point, you receive message 1 point. So simply, what's the value of 1 point? It's around 1 cent. 1 point is equals to 1 cent. So every 90 messages, if you see that, if you just get 90 messages, 90 points, I'm sorry, so you will get like $1. It's the value of $1, and the more points you will get, the more money you can make on this app. And when you have $10, you can just ask for reward, and you can ask for payment to your PayPal account. So this is really awesome way to earn money. And on average, believe me, on average you can earn like not much, but $40 per month easily using this app. Just simply chat with friends every day. Why not using these apps? And it makes your friend money and you money, and they have also referral options that you can get benefit from. So this is the third options to get paid, and it's an worldwide options. When the countries that supports PayPal, you can work with that, and it's easily get paid. And the fourth trusted site to get paid to send SMS is, I just say it loud, it's called justanswer.com. You may heard it already. It's a very popular and well-known site, but you need to be an expert on something, and you should have a degree. You definitely have a degree. You have a job, you do work everywhere in any office, you must have any skills, right? You have any skill. If you are writing skill, if your tech skills, if your consultation skills, speaking skill, teaching skill, any skill you have, you can just go on to justanswer.com and register. That is completely free. You just simply go on, and if you just go on and you can read all about it, and you can, if you just scroll down, you can see in the expert sections at the right bottom, you can click on become an expert. It will load this page, and you can see simple sign up form, and you just hit enter, and you will get accepted without any problem. problem and make money doing what you love as according to them, and work anywhere, anytime online. It's a worldwide work opportunity for you. Just simply you have to have a specific skills and work as much as you want. There is no shortcomings of work here. You just see that people are earning like $2,000 to $7,000 a month. It is reality. It's not a fake site. This is a real site and it's paying people money. So on average, if you just answer any skill type questions here, you will get like around $5 per answer on this website. So you will get, it's an unlimited opportunity site. You will get lots of opportunity daily if you just log in daily, and you will see people are asking many type of questions, and many people will match with your skills, and you can just deliver them to and the answer they want, and you will make $5 for it. So it's so easy to make money by just giving SMS, just giving answers. Simple. This is the send text message and you will make money. So this is awesome. This is the fourth site. The fifth site that I would like to show you today is called Fibbler. Yes, this is Fibbler. Fibbler.com is the site address. Fibbler is also a similar type of like site like Just Answer. So simply go on. It's a similar question type site. You just have to have some skill, and you definitely have some skills. You can teach English, you can consult with other peoples, you can consult, you can just give your opinions. If you have an expert on tech, if you have an expert on anything you just go on, register with these websites. It's a worldwide opportunity site. Simply just go on, install the app or register here, and you just search for it. You can see that people ask every day lots of questions every day. It will definitely match your skills on some people's questions. So simply just go on and register and install their app, and you are good to go to work with. So how you can work with, you just simply just go on and you can click on become an expert here in the top right corner. It will load this page, and it's a simple sign up form. You just insert your name, email, country and profession, and if you have a certificate, if you are a graduate, you have a certificate, right? You have a specific skills, you just upload that certificate. That's it. Apply it and you will get approved within moments. So simply just go on, register there and become an expert. And when you are an expert, you will find out that people asking various type of questions and how much you will make on this website. So every text reply you send to people or answer people, you will get like $3. So $3 per send SMS you just send. And if sometimes people want to more from you, so they want to call you or they want to video chat you. So if they calls you and you receive a video, if you receive a just voice call, and it will just make you $9 per voice call. And even if you just want, if you have a webcam or you just want to video chat with your smartphone to your customers, you simply one video call will make you $15. So simply see the opportunities here. This is worldwide opportunity. You can join it and work with it. And so this is it, guys. I1Q and Hammer is only for Tier 1 peoples, and IMGR, Just Answer and Fibbler.com is for peoples around the worldwide, and you can get paid by PayPal, and PayPals are supported in many countries around the world. So you don't have any problem. If you even don't have a supported PayPal account, you can use your friends and families from other countries you have, and you get money from there. So this is it, guys. You simply just go on and work with this type of sites, and it will surely make money to you. And obviously you can make $14 per day. It's a very easy to reach. You can even make thousands of dollars per month, and you can, it's like $100, $300 per day easily. So if you're liking this method, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.